Hi Skin Games, it's me Kisha, and this is week 3 of our age management category. Today I'm performing microchanneling as part of Anna's age management protocol. Microchanneling allows me to create controlled microinjuries into the epidermis using a stamping technique at a depth of 0.5 millimeters. This depth is ideal for treating fine lines, laxity, and collagen degradation with minimal downtime. Before stamping, I apply a specialized serum that contains recombinant growth factors, hyaluronic acid, and DNA repair enzymes. This technique ensures that as the channels are being created, those active ingredients are delivered directly into the skin where they're most effective. The goal is to stimulate fibroblasts, ignite wound healing, and begin rebuilding collagen structure. So with using the depth that I'm using and the stamping technique, I decided to do about 10 passes per section to make sure that I'm creating thousands of micro injuries all over her skin. Following microchanneling, I applied blue LED light therapy in order to calm the inflammation and reduce erythema. This also activates the DNA repair enzymes in the serum. I chose microchanneling because it jumpstarts collagen production, and I believe that it will also set the stage for lifting, firming, and just giving an overall visible rejuvenation over the next few weeks. I'm looking forward over the next couple of weeks seeing how Anna's skin responds to this microchanneling treatment. We did do a deeper depth, as I stated before. It was a 0.5 depth, and so I wanted to make sure that we can really get those ingredients down a little bit deeper into the epidermis so that we can see some great improvement. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Toodaloo!